little house by the sunflower fields. A gentle kitty named me was fast asleep. God thought the morning sun peeked through the curtains and tickled her whiskers. Yeah! Today's the big day, Mimi purred as she stretched her paws high in the air. Hoo, huck, huck, hi. She brushed her soft fur, added a little sparkle powder on her cheeks, and curled her eyelashes just right. Then she looked in the mirror and giggled, all ready for our special trip. Next, she tiptoed into her daughter Bella's room. Wake up, sleepy star, we're going on an adventure. Bella blinked her big shiny eyes. Are we really going to the K-pop concert, Mama? She asked, bouncing with joy. Yes, my darling, said Mimi. Let's get you dressed. Together they picked the perfect outfit, a twirly pink dress with sparkly shoes that shimmered like starlight. Mimi helped Bella put on a little blush and shiny lip balm. Now you look like a superstar! Mimi smiled. They grabbed their suitcases, sang a happy travel song, and hopped into their blue car. The road to the airport was full of laughter and music. At the airport, Kitty and Bella showed their tickets and passports, waving them proudly en masse. They found their seats on the plane, pressed their noses to the window, and watched the clouds float by like cotton candy. When they arrived, they checked into a fancy hotel with a big bouncy bed. Boing, boing, giggled Bella! The stage lights sparkled, the music boomed, and everyone danced together. Mimi and Bella clapped, twirled, and sang their favorite songs at the top of their voices. It was a night full of color, joy, and music. As the stars twinkled above, Bella hugged her mom and whispered, "This was the best day ever, Mama." Mimi smiled and said softly, "The best part was sharing it with you." And that night, the two